Hello and welcome to the Cross Solution YouTube channel. My name is Naeem Amjad. You are watching Zoho Creator tutorial series part 2. In our last video, we learned how to create different types of forms in Zoho Creator and link them of one form with another form. So these are the forms we have created. In this video, we will learn how to hide, unhide, enable or disable fields of a form. In this form of sale memo, we don't need the quantity, excluding amount, text amount and including amount of field in this form. So we will learn two things: how to hide, unhide and enable or disable multiple fields that we don't want in one form but we want in another form. And secondly, we will learn how to auto-populate data in multiple fields on the input of a one field. First of all, we will create some data in our created forms in our previous video. So let's name of a product A and just submit, and name the product B is B and C. Here are the products name A, B, C, and in the sale memo we will create the data. Let's say unit price will be 5 and the tax rate will be 10. In product B, let's say unit price will be 15 and tax rate will be 20. Let's say product C, the unit price will be 25 and the tax rate will be 30. Here are the products and their prices and tax rates. Because we don't need to populate data of quantity excluding amount tax amount, because we need these in our subform of the invoice. You can say that here. Okay, so let's create one customer is, let's say, Mr. X, and email is test at the test.com, and address, let's say, one bar and email one. Okay, 54321, and let's say Canada. Okay, submit it. Okay, one more thing that we discussed earlier, we don't need to have the many other fields like just quantity, excluding amount, tax amount, including amount in this form, because we need this form in invoice subform, as you can say that here. So we will hide these extra fields in that form, and we will have it in here. Okay, so just move to the developer side of this application so we can hide the unnecessary fields in that form. Okay, export flow, sales memo, that is the form. Okay, hide. We don't need to show the fields of tax amount, excluding amount, and including. Okay, one more field is quantity. Okay, that's we don't need. Okay, just save it, and okay, let's move to the application, how it is looking. Voila. uh, and you can say that other fields are hide here, and but we need that field. We'll disable the many fields so that no one can change the data here or any accidentally or any way, because it is will be a good user experience. So let's move to the developer side of this application so we can disable the unnecessary fields. Okay, workflow and new workflow. Get out of this one and disable the Zoho fields. Okay, disable the sales memo unit price field because this will be auto-populated, and sales memo tax date. Disable the sales memo tax amount, and disable the excluding amount, and disable the including amount. Okay, I think that's it. Save it and let's move to the application, how it is looking. That's great. These are hide now. You can see that. Yes, that's good. And one more thing that we have to learn today, how to auto-populate the other fields on the selection of a one field. And because in the customer information we have already captured the information of a customer, and we don't need to write down on every invoice, so it will waste our time and it is not a good user experience. So we will learn how to auto-populate the other fields on the section of these fields. Okay, let's move to the developer side of this application so we can learn how to auto-populate the data on the selection of a one particular field. Okay, invoice, user input of a field of a customer information. Okay, okay, let's start. Customer info, customer information, ID, input of a customer information dot ID, and must add the semicolon because it will give error, and we have the information in here. Let's put the data in image customer information dot image semicolon input dot address semicolon dot address and semicolon. Okay, that's it. Save it and let's move to the form. Great. Here you can see that on the selection of a customer, the information is auto-populated. So let's create another customer. Let's say Mr. Y. Payment as Y at the rate test.com offers one test and first of all is just give any number and select any country and submit and now check customer by. Okay, you can see that on the change of another customer the information auto change and updated populated. Okay, and that's for today. In the next video we will learn how to auto populate the data and do multiple calculations quantity one, and you can see that the value of a invoice is automatically updating and the calculation is going on. So don't miss the next video. Hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.